Good morning. How are you? Where are we? Today is Wednesday, the 22nd. And we had an amazing update yesterday. And who knows? Santa Claus may be coming to town. Um, and the market's flat right now. So, as we discussed yesterday, we got a really strong bar that may continue. We're still watching this divergence right here. And that's what you got to keep an eye on. I mean, really, right now, with positive seasonality, you should have bought on the dips. You should be making money. Short term, I close it out, and if you're in good money, close it out coming into the New Year's weekend, and take your profits. Let's see what January holds, because the market's not behaving how it did in the past 3 or 4 years. Could be getting ready for a correction, or at the very least a consolidation. I would like to see a consolidation. There are a lot of people out there calling for a correction. Some say 4,000 is a viable number. I mean, I could see what they're looking at, the technicals they're looking at. It doesn't necessarily have to happen. Um, I mean, things are at good value. A good consolidation would be fine over a period of time, and then get the market ready to move up again. Um, but yeah, the market's really tied to our economy these days. Wasn't the case back in the day. Very few people used to invest. At least when I got into the industry, no internet access, no quotes. People used to get their stock quotes from the newspaper, or they had to call me. Most people weren't even involved. I used to call businesses to find customers and clients. That cold calling kind of thing in the beginning of my career, and most of the and I focused on big money business, and most of the guys weren't even involved in the market. 401ks were just starting and things like that. So entirely different animal in the span of my lifetime in the market. So the market has a different effect on the economy. It's hitting the middle class, upper middle class when the market goes down. And again, I believe everybody who used to tune in with me while I was streaming, when I had that ability, understood how I felt about the economy, and that I feel it's weaponized to fight China. And I still think it's the case. I mean, I believe Biden's a bozo, and he doesn't know how to really manage this. But somebody there is going to let him know that we can't lose ground. We can't take a step back or have a hiccup against China. And they need to be market friendly, support the market. And there are guys out there like Munchen who knocked down the Build Back Better deal because that's what their primary focus is. They don't want Biden jacking up the taxes on businesses and wealthy, because they know that that's what goes into investment. That's what spurs the economy. I mean, it's a shame a lot of the social programs got knocked out. I believe in a lot of them. But the reality is that you can't hurt business to do it. Anywho, so I really am looking for a consolidation. But in the short term, this is the Christmas rally. Take advantage of it. And the market's going to open up flat. So really, it's any man's game. Let's just break down. I mean, I'm looking at a 30 right here, and this is just a very strong 30. It looks like it's rolling over a little bit, but you're talking about the last hour of trading in the market, so it rolls over. So we're going to watch the momentum, see if the momentum picks up. Maybe we get a little consolidation and a pop today. The buy at the low program is over right now. I mean, you should be riding your profits, looking for volatility and doing some day trades. But I think this may be it. As far as a breakdown, I guess sisters Aunt Fanny. Window, there we go. Window, what am I looking for? I'm looking for my 30. Here we go, bank. Just fat fingered it. I mean, if you're worried, a retrace, a good retrace, because that's a pretty good high. So you could look for a double top. I would watch a 5 minute, look for a double top, see if we come back down to about the 594, and then you can trade it if you're trading calls. you could tag it there. Or, I mean, you could take the opening trade and a break above the high. But the midday reversal will probably bring it down to about the 594 range. So you get the mid-morning reversal, rather. So you can keep your eye on that. Maybe find a day trade there. I'm not going to be doing it, man. I don't need the stress. It's before the holiday. I'm trying to get in the holiday mood. So I'm just chilling, managing some income trades and looking for good shit to buy. So that's it. And just to run down the list, if you looked at my other videos, which I broke them down, I like AMD. These are the things that I'm buying. I like Bank of America. I'm buying Costco, Disney. I'm buying Honeywell, or I've been buying. I've been buying Netflix, NVIDIA, Aberdeen, Physical Palladium. I've been buying that. I've been buying Virgin Galactic. TBT, I've been in since the 15s. If you guys have been clocking me, you know I'm in that pretty low. And TBT is the ultra short on bonds because obviously interest rates are going to go up. So long-term money, man, put it in there. And I think that's going to pay off very, very well for you. I'm buying Viacom. You watch, these guys are going to be either merge or be bought out. This is a $64 number in my book. And XOM. I actually bailed out of XOM at about $64, $65. It came down into the 50s. I started picking some more up. I'm not doing it right now, but I'm going to watch it. I mean, the dividend is really, really high. So yeah, I'm putting it away just for that because I like dividend paying stocks. So anyway, that's what I'm doing. And I hope you're doing it too. Oh man, hey, everybody, in the beginning, I should have told you, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like, and hit up the comments, man. It helps me out. It helps out the channel. I know I'm not streaming and sharing trades, but yeah, I'm off the back of a boat over here. So bear with me. I will be heading back into the mountains probably in April or May, and I'm going to start streaming and trading real time online with you guys at that point, unless I could work something out over here. It's just, the area I'm in, the data is just not good. And the streaming's not all that good. So anyway, share the world. Let everybody know I'm out here. And just, hey, calm and cool. If you're headed off for your holidays, happy holidays. And good luck trading.